Creating AI-generated videos typically involves using various AI tools and technologies that can generate or assist in video creation. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make AI-generated videos. 1. Decide on the type of AI video you want to create. 1. AI-generated animation. You can use AI to create animations or 2D/3D visual content. 2. AI for video editing. AI tools can assist in editing raw footage, improving quality, or applying effects. 3. Deepfake or face swap videos. These use AI to manipulate faces in videos, often for entertainment or parody. 4. Text to video. Some AI tools allow you to generate entire videos from a script or text-based input. 2. Select AI tools for video creation. Depending on the type of video you want to make, you'll need specific tools. Some of the popular AI video creation tools include 1. Runway ML, a creative toolkit that uses AI to generate and edit videos. 1. It includes text to video, style transfer, and more. 2. Synthesia, a text to video tool that creates AI generated videos with digital avatars, which you can customize to speak your script. 3. Pictory turns long-form content, for example, blog posts, into short-form videos using AI. 4. DeepBrain generates videos with AI avatars that can speak your script in a human-like manner. 5. Rephrase.ai, AI-powered platform for generating personalized video content at scale. 6. DID focuses on creating lifelike talking head videos using just a script. 7. Runway provides AI video editing tools, including tools for generating images, animations, and even video sequences. 8. Lumen 5 uses AI to automatically create videos from text, like blog posts, articles, or scripts. 3. Script your video. 1. If you're creating a text-to-video or AI-generated video with an avatar, start by writing a clear and concise script. 1. The script should be short and engaging, as AI tools often perform best with direct text input. 2. For animation or other types of videos, plan out your concept and structure in a storyboard format. 4. Generate the AI video. 1. Text to video, use a platform like Synthesia or Pictory to input your script. 1. The AI will generate a video with an avatar or relevant visuals. 2. AI animation. Tools like Runway or Reallusion's Cartoon Animator can help create animated characters or sequences using AI. 3. AI video editing. Upload raw footage and use an AI tool like Magisto or Adobe Premiere Pro's AI-based features to enhance the video with automatic editing, effects, or color grading. 4. Deepfake videos. If you're using AI to manipulate faces, for example, with tools like DeepFace Lab, upload the source video and the face to be swapped, then train the AI model to map the new face to the original. 5. Edit and enhance your video. 1. After generating your video, you can edit it further using AI video editing tools or standard video editing software, for example, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. 2. Enhance the video with AI-generated music, sound effects, or voiceovers if needed. 2. AI tools like Descript or Murph AI can create synthetic voices based on text input. 6. Publish and share your AI video. Once your AI video is ready, export it in the desired format, for example, MP4, MOV, and upload it to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, social media, or your website. Tips. 1. Keep it simple, especially for beginners. Avoid overly complex video ideas. 1. Stick to short, clear concepts. 2. Test different tools, experiment with different AI video tools to see which one meets your needs best. 3. Stay ethical. If you're using deepfake technology or AI-generated content with faces, make sure to respect privacy and consent laws. By using these AI tools, you can create professional quality videos with little to no manual input, enabling faster content production for social media, marketing, or entertainment purposes.